Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Detox is becoming a very popular word. You have detox juice fasts, you have detox weight loss plans. But if you notice, if we just correct our lifestyle and do everything consistently, proper nutrition, proper sleep, proper yoga practice and proper rest, good quality in all of this will automatically set your body right in a way that it detoxes itself, because your body is detoxing throughout the day. It is trying to get rid of the impurities automatically. So what we need to do is just support it and prevent things from obstructing that detox. So today we're going to do a practice that will help you understand that and will help you detox the body. Let's get started. So we're going to start seated in a comfortable cross-leg posture. You're going to start with the fingertips on either side, and as you inhale, lift your arms up, look up. As you exhale, you're going to bring your left hand to the right knee, right hand behind you. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, you repeat that to the other side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to the right. Let's hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to the left. Hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, arms to shoulder level. Take an inhale here. Exhale, bend to your left side. Inhale back to center. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, back to center. Place both your palms on the right side and move your knees into a comfortable tabletop position. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch back. Now as you exhale, you're going to drive your left knee in towards the chest, squeeze the belly. Inhale, relax. Inhale again, arch back. Exhale. As you bring the knee down, inhale, arch back. Exhale, left. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, right. Inhale, arch. Exhale, left. Inhale, arch. Exhale, right. Inhale, arch. Exhale, tuck the toes, bend knees, downward dog. Push the hip up, hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, step the right foot forward. Place the left heel down comfortably. Straighten through your right leg. Okay, you can use a block here for support. Place your left palm down, and as you exhale, lift your right arm up, twist Parivratta Trikonasana. Inhale, bring your palm back down. Exhale, step back to downward facing dog. Your knees can straighten out here. Next inhalation, left foot forward between the palms. Place the right foot fully down, right hand down. Exhale, twist to your left side. Inhale down. Exhale, shift back to downward dog. 3 breaths here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop the knees down to the mat. Come into Vajrasana. You can use a blanket or pillow here to support you. You're going to fist your palms, place it underneath your navel on either sides. Take an inhale here. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale up. Fists on either side of the navel. Little bit pressure there. Exhale, fold forward. Hold it there and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, roll up. Release your hands. Come forward to tabletop again. Tuck the toes. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right foot outside of the right hand. Left foot outside of the left hand. From here, use the support of the floor, squat down, Malasana. Beautiful posture here. Keep the spine long, chest lifted, drop the hips down, hold it, breathe. Deep squat. It really works on that Apana region, which is in charge of that elimination, that detox that happens. So try and do this every day for about 30 seconds to a minute. Take your arms forward slowly, get your hips down and settle down to the floor. Legs stretch forward. You're going to bend your right knee first, take it all the way across to the other side. Left leg can stay stretched out. Hug the right knee with your left hand. Exhale and look back, hold it. Breathe, don't lean back on the hand. Sit nice and tall. Inhale, back to center. Release your leg. Switch to the other side. Bend the left knee, take it across. Hug close with your right arm. Exhale and look back. Inhale back to center and slowly release the leg. From here, you're going to bend the knees and slowly lie down on your back. With the knees bent, exhale, hug the right knee into the chest. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Lift the forehead up. Inhale down. Stretch the left leg down on the mat. Now use your left hand to bring the knee in towards the floor and stretch the right hand at shoulder level. Take 3 breaths here. Let the shoulder blades stay on the floor. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, let it all go. Switch to the other side. You start with both knees bent. First, hug the left knee into the chest. Feel that compression in the belly. Again, Apanasana. Apana region which eliminates, pushing it out. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, lift the head up. Inhale down. Straighten the leg. Drop the knee to the right side. Turn your head to the left. Hold it there for a few seconds. Inhale back to center. Exhale, let it all go. Bring your heels towards the groin in butterfly position. Your palms can rest on the belly. 5 deep breaths, filling your belly up and letting it go. You can tuck blocks or cushions underneath the knee for support and allow your hips to really open up here. Back will arch a bit, which is perfectly normal. Take 1 more breath and 1. Now knees together, hug the knees into the chest. Okay? From here, inhale, exhale, hug tighter into the chest. Inhale again, exhale, hug tighter. Inhale, 1 more time. Exhale, hug as tight as you can. Wrap your palms on the elbows, hold it there for 3. Exhale, suck your belly in nicely. 2. And 1. Lift your forehead up to the knee, nice tight hug. Inhale, let it all go. Bring your feet down and relax in Shavasana. So that was a practice that will help you to detox. If you notice, we focused a lot on the compression in the belly, which is the Apana region. The Apana Vayu is responsible or in charge of elimination. So the more we bring awareness to the lower belly and really work on contracting it and strengthening it also, the better will be your gut health and your elimination process, which is your natural detox. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.